Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 91. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find up to part 90, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. They are very essential for all exams. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. The Genghis Khan invaded India during the reign of Iltutmish. Please remember, as you can see, Genghis Khan, he had invaded India during the reign of Iltutmish, who is the father of Rajya Sultana. Goa liberated from Portuguese. So we knew that whatever the place, that is Goa, which is liberated from the Portuguese in the month of December 19th, 1961. Thus Goa had been liberated from the Goa, got independence from the Portuguese. The present decimal system of numbers was the invention of Egyptians. So please remember, whatever the decimal systems we are following, that is the invention of the Egyptians. Kampala, we knew that is the capital of Uganda. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the Kampala looks like. This is the capital of Uganda. Foxglove plant yields a drug that is stimulant to heart. Please remember, this plant, which is very essential for the making of heart more functioning, this foxglove plant is very important to remember. The magnifying power of an astronomical telescope can be decreased by decreasing the focal length of the eyepiece. Please remember, whatever the magnifying power of an astronomical telescope, that can be decreased by the decreasing of the focal length of the eyepieces. Then we can easily watch whatever the stars or planets. India's biggest nuclear research reactor, that is, as you can see to the right side, Dhruva. It is located in Trombay at Bark, was made operational on August 8, 1985. This was the maiden nuclear reactor, that is Dhruva. So here, this enabled India to develop nuclear weapons and gave India an independent source of plutonium free from safeguards. Next, we have Ancient Monuments Preservation Act. Was passed during the viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. He was the one who had divided the partition of Bengal had been implemented, and he also initiated the Ancient Monuments Preservation Act. This is very essential to maintain the monuments of historical nature. The Muslim rulers introduced the first price control system for the first time in India. Alauddin Khilji, he was the one who had initiated the price control system. He was the one who had initiated this, Alauddin Khilji. On the wall of which of the following buildings built by Shah Jahan, the Persian couplet, if there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this. This statement had been given by and is inscribed at Diwan-e-Khas. Please remember, the location of Diwan-e-Khas is located in Delhi. On the wall of these buildings, which was built by the Shah Jahan, the Persian couplet, that is a statement, if there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this. This statement you can find on the walls of this Diwan-e-Khas, which is located in Delhi. The muzzle of which Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the leader was Sukar Chakia. As you can see to the right side, Sikh warrior Maharaja Ranjit Singh beats Winston Churchill at the greatest leader of all time. So after beating this Winston Churchill, so here, as you can see here, muzzle of which Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the leader was Sukar Chakia. Hail, snowfall and rainfall are the part of precipitation but not the fog. Please remember, fog is not the part of the precipitation. Rest all, hail, snowfall and rainfall, all these three are the part of fog. Next we have the process of washing away the fertile part of soil dissolved in water is leaching. What exactly the word leaching means? It is the process of washing away the fertile part of soil dissolved in water. That is known as leaching. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join on Defense ICTA Telegram. There are more than 800 plus question papers have been given, guys. Please go through them. You will find actual result in it. It is segregated into different 50 playlists. It has been given. Next we have gems and jewelry earns highest foreign exchange. We knew that India export and exchange with the other nations maximum production and produce what we exchange is gems and jewelry. The area declared as a biosphere reserve in 2018, that is, you can see to the right side, Kanchenjunga. This is the one biosphere which is in 2018 it had been declared as a biosphere reserve. The term paper gold is associated with special drawing rights of the International Monetary Fund. It is what exactly paper gold. That means special drawing rights of International Monetary Fund. The writ issued by the Supreme Court. We knew that there are various writs. We have 5 writs. We have certiorari, quo warranto, mandamus. There are various writs. You have to remember that. Among that, here we have the one suo motu is the one which was issued by the Supreme Court, but not all these mandamus, quo warranto, these are all not the one, only suo motu. Next we have India's commitment to promote international peace and security is contained in directive principles of state policy. We knew that whatever the directive principles of state policy which have been taken from the Ireland, in this India's commitment to promote international peace and security is given. This is what exactly to be remembered. The interest rate policy is component of the monetary policy. As you can see how exactly the monetary policy had been subdivided. Among them, the interest rate policy is one part. That is what have been asked. The main function of economic structure is production, distribution of goods and services, which is the main function of the economic structure. So you have to produce and you have to distribute also. The maiden cooperative movement in India was initiated in agricultural credit. Please remember the first cooperative movement in India that was initiated in agricultural credit. India is a republic because the head of state, as you can see, the president is the head of state and he has been elected, and that is the reason we call India as a republic. The impeachment proceedings against the president of India can be initiated in either house of the parliament. You can see to the right side how exactly the president can be removed within a period. Here impeachment charges can be initiated in either house of the parliament. For example, if Lok Sabha framed charges, then it should be signed by 1/4 members of the Lok Sabha, at least 14 days notice to president. Impeachment resolution, again whatever the, you can directly go through given slides. Next we have the handwritten message that can be instantly transmitted as such to any part of the world through, that is fax, which is also known as a facsimile. You can directly send one from one place to other place by a fax. Nowadays you have to scan it and you have to email it. The dark skin shields the body from the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiations. Therefore, people with darker skin inhabit the tropical regions. Please remember this area, wherever the tropical regions of equator area, they will have the dark skin, so they will not get affected by the ultraviolet rays, because the dark skin doesn't hamper these ultraviolet rays much as compared to the white skin people. The name of English newspaper edited by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who is also known as Bal. We knew that Lal Bal Pal. Lal means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pal means Bipin Chandra Pal. So here Bal is the one, Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the one who had initiated the English newspaper, that is Maratha. So this was the one which was initiated by Bal. So that's it guys. This is my mobile number. You can call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.